Most people lose credibility with one tiny word. It's but. Say it, and you instantly sound defensive, even when you don't mean to. Here is the fix: use one of these instead. And connects ideas, not conflicts. At the same time, softens disagreement. Here is another angle: sounds collaborative. These phrases turn friction into flow. This is how leaders disagree without conflict. Communication means control. Comment your worst filler. I'll upgrade it next. Message me on Preply for the full 50 phrase playbook. Free.